Gold daily forecast, April 24th, FXEmpire.com. Gold markets, as you can see, had a negative session on Tuesday, but really, to put things in perspective, even though we definitely had a breakdown, this is the first red candle in six. So it does suggest that we are trying to build some type of base down in this general vicinity. While the bankers and the central bankers and the hedge funds out there have tried to crush paper gold, all this is done, as we read reports around the world, has drove demand for physical gold up, and that's what a lot of this rally is about. It appears that there's a real shot this may be a buying opportunity after all. Looking at this chart, a move above the 1450 level should lead to 1550 without too many issues. And of course, there is a possibility we break down, but 1300 will more than likely be a pretty significant support area based upon longer term charts. Quite frankly, there is a large enough section of the public out there whose proclivity is to buy gold. So there's always going to be somewhat of a bid in it. The fact that the U.S. dollar's been stronger recently should not necessarily mean that gold has to go down. There have been times in the past where the two have moved completely in tandem with each other. So to use that argument is a little bit dangerous at this point. Also, it should be noted that Goldman Sachs suggested at 4 in the morning on this particular day that they were selling gold and it was going to collapse. Well, they've already gotten out of the market. This big flush they got in one day or whatever, they have taken their profit, and that's something they announced today. So, having said that, my suspicion is that other funds will do the same. We could be witnessing an opportunity to start buying gold at a relatively cheap price.